Okay, working on a brand new Ford Expedition Platinum, $90-something thousand car, and transport put a little dent right in the back there. So when you shut these lift gates, they shut automatically. Some people don't do that, and they like to shut them with their hand, and they push on that hard, and they dent it. So now I have to get access to the back side of the dent and push the dent out from the inside out. I'm probably gonna have to take off this entire trim panel in here, all that, to get there. But we will do it, and I'll show you after. All right, Ford Expedition Platinum. Put it all back together, and there you go. So there's some natural little waves around the handle. Anyways, but the dent is gone, so whoever wants to spend 100 grand on the truck, on this SUV, will have a clean vehicle now. Thank you for watching.